Most chatbots answer questions with simple text, but you still have to go out and execute the actual manual work yourself. Meta recently integrated Manus AI, an autonomous agent built to take control of your browser and local operating system to complete entire tasks on its own. This 4-part grid outlines the exact workflows we will implement today: sorting your local files, generating ad reports, summarizing Slack channels, and prototyping a mobile app. By removing repetitive clicking and reading from your schedule, your daily capacity shifts from executing basic steps to making strategic decisions. Step 1 requires opening your Downloads folder, which is likely filled with months of unsorted files. Then, activate the microphone in the Manus desktop app. Give the agent this exact instruction: go through my Downloads folder, find every PDF, invoice, and bank statement, and sort them into category folders. Manus immediately scans the directory and begins writing a Python script to extract the metadata from each file. Here, the initial Python script hits a syntax error, and execution halts entirely. Instead of waiting for you to fix the code, Manus diagnoses its own error and switches to direct shell commands to finish the job without any human intervention. The result is a clean directory organized by category, alongside a new tracking spreadsheet logging every moved file. A standard automation script stops working the second it encounters an error. This ability to diagnose and change strategies on the fly separates a true autonomous agent from basic code. Next, we will connect your Meta Ads account. When the login screen appears, you must step in for about 10 seconds to manually enter your 2-factor authentication code. Once authenticated, submit this prompt: pull all my active Meta campaigns from the last 7 days, extract the spend, CPC, and ROAS, and tell me which to scale or pause. This stylized PDF report highlights exactly what to do next. It marks healthy ROAS campaigns to scale and high-cost campaigns to pause. This flowchart maps out our scheduling workflow. You can configure the agent to run this exact data pull automatically every morning at 9 a.m. Then set a secondary alert condition so the system pings you on Telegram only if your cost per conversion spikes by 30%. Offloading this daily monitoring means you wake up with the analysis already complete, letting you focus entirely on executive decision-making. Navigate to the Manus dashboard and authorize the Slack integration. Enter this text prompt: give me a list of every channel where I was tagged in the last 48 hours, who tagged me, and what the message was across the entire workspace. Manually scrolling through 200 channels takes hours. Manus runs parallel research agents to search every message simultaneously in 30 seconds. This single-page table filters out the noise, isolating only the specific messages that require a reply. This condenses hours of post-weekend inbox anxiety into a 1-minute reading task. Now we will build an app. Enter a comprehensive spec. Build a mobile app for client onboarding with a welcome screen, step-by-step business detail forms, and a dark navy and white design. The agent autonomously scaffolds a React Native development environment to begin the build. Without any explicit instruction from the prompt, the agent writes the navigation state management and generates a placeholder logo for the welcome screen. Once the code compiles, Manus delivers an APK file for Android and an Expo Go QR code for iPhone testing. Scan the QR code and you can immediately swipe through the functional onboarding form right on your physical device. Cautionary: keep in mind, this is a functional prototype built for internal testing, not an App Store-ready product. Bypassing a multi-month development timeline to secure a working prototype in 20 minutes radically accelerates how fast your business can iterate. For our final setup, navigate to the Settings menu and scan the QR code to link your agent directly to Telegram. While away from your desk, you can send a voice note asking Manus to run a deep dive research report on a specific company's funding history. A few minutes later, the agent returns a full 6-page document, complete with citations, directly into your chat. Linking the agent directly to your mobile device turns it into a persistent, ubiquitous assistant that executes tasks while you commute. We have successfully generated an organized file system, a scheduled ad report, a summarized Slack table, and a functional mobile app prototype. The previous workflow demanded hours of manual clicking and scrolling. The new baseline relies entirely on automated digital execution. Identify your highest stress digital bottleneck and configure your first automation to handle it today. Modern productivity requires shifting your focus. You no longer need to learn how to work faster. You need to learn how to delegate the execution entirely.